Namaste, I'm Garima Bhandari. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video we're going to do my favorite posture. It is called the tree pose. Even my kids practice it. It is wonderful and therapeutic restorative posture to calm your brain, and also if you have any problems of osteoporosis, bone disorders, or even disorders like insomnia or flat feet problem or sciatica problems, it is an excellent posture to practice every day. Gives you a great sense of balance and stretches your entire body and strengthens your shoulders and your thighs. Let's get started. Let's see how we get into the posture. This posture requires balancing your entire body weight on one foot. So that's how I'm going to show you the right alignment, how to do it from my left side. So I'm going to actively press on all the four corners of my left foot so that I can balance my entire body weight on the left foot, placing my right foot on the left thigh like this and pressing the heel towards the thigh. The thigh on the left foot is pressing firmly on the ground, and the kneecap is lifting the entire thigh and activated. Activation in your glutes, your torso, your navel is stuck towards the spine, and from here you can balance on the leg and keep your hands on your waist like this, or you can open your shoulders and take your hands above your crown of the head like this, and stay here for 4 to 5 breaths. Excellent balancing and strengthening posture for your entire body. One more important alignment checklist in this posture is to remember not to press your heels on the kneecap. So if you're not able to press it on your left thigh, you can actually, as a beginner, place it on the left calf but not on the kneecap. And slowly to exit from the posture, drop your hands, drop your legs, and balance your body weight on both the legs. And to practice on the left side, we have to take the support of both of our palms, cupping the heels of the left foot and placing them on the thigh of the right leg, pressing the right leg firmly towards the ground, locking the knee. My heel of the left leg touching the groin, and then opening the left kneecap. Stay here as a beginner, and once you're ready to try the full expression of the posture, take your hands above and stay here for 4 to 5 breaths. And to exit the posture, simply drop your hands, drop your legs. Tree posture is an excellent beginner posture for any age group to practice every day, and to watch more such awesome yoga videos with me and to practice with me, subscribe to my channel Garima Bhandari. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and also follow me on Instagram, Garima Bhandari Official. Like my page on Facebook. Tada, namaste.